Why replacing the stock radio is not a good idea. The most important reason to avoid replacing the stock radio in your Mercedes Benz SL Class R230 is the complexity of the vehicle's optical system. Late model Mercedes vehicle utilize an optical system called D2B or MOS bus, which carry audio, video, and control signals between components in the vehicle. The stock radio is an integral part of the system, and replacing it can cause numerous issues with other components in the vehicle. For example, a new radio might not work with existing speakers, or it may not communicate properly with the vehicle's onboard computer. This can lead to a loss of functionality and potential damage to other components in the vehicle. Furthermore, the evolution of the Mercedes-Benz factory sound system has made replacing it with the aftermarket components more difficult and expensive. The COMAND system, which stands for Cockpit Management and Data System, is a complex interface that controls various features in the vehicle, including the audio system. It is designed to work specifically with the factory-installed components, and it is not easily adaptable to aftermarket replacement. Additionally, the wiring harness and the connectors used in the Mercedes-Benz vehicle are often proprietary and not readily available to aftermarket installers, making it even more difficult to replace the stock sound system. Fortunately, there is a better solution to upgrade Mercedes R230 Bluetooth adapter for streaming music through R230 without replacing the stock head unit. The solution is called the Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter, which is a plug-and-play device that allows you to add modern smartphone and streaming music, talk hands-free, and Waze GPS navigation integration to the Mercedes-Benz original factory navigational system. The Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is designed specifically for this reason. You can plug in my Gizmo Guy Gadget to your iPhone, and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone right through your Mercedes factory radio system without static, and you'll sound just like CD. It doesn't matter if you have navigational system or not, or simply just the Bose system. All you got to do is plug in my device onto your iPhone, and you will be able to enjoy all your music loud and clear with CD quality sound. Let me show you how.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy's Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle, and it starts playing instantly. Instantly, if I can get it. Go, come on. One thing you need to know is that when you bring your recording device in, make sure that that the Bluetooth is connected, or that the phone itself is putting out a Bluetooth signal. Other than that, this is plug and play. It's I've used this all over the LA basin, Los Angeles basin. No static, no drop-offs. I've tried all prior to getting this. I've tried just about every single one of the FM transmitters available, $20 up to around $50. And they worked great when you were sitting in the vehicle in one place, but as soon as you started moving around, it would start picking up other signals. It would drop off, get real staticky. As you can hear, this is clear. Volume, I can't even put the volume on full volume. I also use a an iPad with this. So hopefully I'll be able to show you the iPad shortly. This is a video of my iPad used with the Gizmo Guy gadget.
And you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, this gadget is an ultimate alternative. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. You guys, real-time review. Happy with the product.
Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town. No problems with any static whatsoever.
Thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.
Click